Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change a user password within an RDP session. So RDP stands for Remote Desktop Protocol, and I'm going to show you guys how about changing the password within such an environment. And we're going to go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is tap the Ctrl Alt Delete or the Ctrl Alt End key on your keyboard. Again, Ctrl Alt Delete or Ctrl Alt End, END. So one of those three keys. So one of those combinations. You'd select those keys on your keyboard. And then on this page, you would select Change a Password. And then you go ahead and actually change the password through here. So again, pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.